about me. Sengikhohliwe, where do I change it? Uphi? One. Weswitchili noma yilo hot noma. Beef. Fish. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. AI wallpaper. I'm gonna change something up, I guess. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. The way behind ngakhona ngazi nokuthi namhlanje ulwesingaki. Lwesingaki vele namhlanje. And I was supposed to go to the office. Did I go? Ave ngiyibhadi lengane njalo mina. Tuesday namhlanje. Ngoba ngathi Friday nje la kimi. Ngoba ngathi Friday nje la kumina. And I had some drinks. Tuesday. Ngiyibhadi lengane ngempela. Ngiyibhadi nje lengane. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you so much, S. Thank you so much. Cela ungitshele nkosami ukuthi ngibe umfundi oqotho. Ave ngiyibhadi lomfundi. Azibhadi lomfundi. Tuesday lamhlanje mara ngiphole enhloko. Phole enhloko bhekele iphakela amajuba. Yo guys, I don't know if I wanna co-host with people. Guys, should I co-host with people? Like when people send them a request. Ngiyami social battery yami incane. Ngizwani nje lento engiphoqayo ukuthi ngisocialize. Manje umuntu ejoin live yami kuzomela lokhu sixoxa ke manje yo. Thiba umfundo qotho. Ngizoba uyeke next week. Ngoba manje I'm still tired. Beka le bad influence ithi don't. Vele ngikhathele nje. Ngizoba umfundo oqotho in my next life. Isikole siyangicika mina. Ngiyaphila njani? Like me, good morning. I literally just woke up an hour or 2 hours ago. Good morning, Lagu. And ngiyazi nakunana Zuma good morning cause akalala ebusuku. Unjani Andile wasekhaya lo? How are you doing? Tongue almost. Le iphakela amajuba angaze sesuswa yini manje. Ngibangela umsindo. Bafana bahlupha emhlabeni Jehova yo. Uthandwa yimi Mveli. Umveli ubani? Ukuthi singachazi. Umveli ubhuti wagogo. Wengane kasisi wami. I'm not sure if you get me. My day is going well. So far, so good. Guys, I'm so tipsy, which is why I'm even live. I'm tipsy. I had a few drinks. A few is 2 or like 1.5. 1.5 bengithi uhousemate yami angithekele more drinks manje ngiyacabanga ukuthi no ngiyarealize ukuthi hayibo Tuesday namhlanje nginamanga kuthini and my day just started andile cabanga lamusuku liqala manje lamusuku aliqali nje before 12 ngisuke ngizilalele nje ngizihlalele shem before 12 usuku lami aliqali nomuntu engikhulumisa before 12 angikhulumi at all uyaqala ukungibona yabona abafana-ke nabo-ke namangabo yo men will lie unprovoked men will lie just for no reason usuyaqala ukungibona sengivele ngasenhlizweni yakhe no men are funny yo abantu sisabahlekisa guys yimi njalo namanga kodwa yena njalo usuyaqala ukungibona sengivele ngase angiphuzi savana mina ngathi ushaye 6 pack yesavana I don't drink savana fana nami onifanami asifeni guys asifeni once yazi ugogo wami ejele ukuthi mawumtshela ukuthi ukhona umuntu oshonile ethi yo waze wajabula ethi yo bengingafingane mina yo angithi ayibo yahlanya lesalukazi lesi abo manje ngiyam-understand yo usikhathele makeng nibuya nini emakhaya nizosibona uLundi yo uLundi nalo liyangikhathaza nje enhlizweni ngaphakathi akusiyindawo leya ngiyadlala phela uLundi nkosami uyohlezi lisenhlizweni yami and I'm coming back soon and mina ngicicize ngaqeda nje ukubhala ngiyazihambela ngiyolundi unjani Mac Gangster is that Mac Gangster ngeke ungakhathali ka-matric ungavumi ukukhathala uzokhathala masubhala lamaphepha awu2 asekugcineni usually it's languages uzokhathala lapho-ke okwamanje ungakhathali push because lama results ozowathola manje they will stick with you for the rest of your life njani malume happiness cela ntoni ufuna ukungi-inboxa and ngiyawuthanda u-TikTok guys umuntu umsendele imessage eyodwa kuphela as a request awubusa kuvumela ukuthi umsendele more messages because what do you mean hi singazani ayibo hlala entabeni what do you want baby girl yes I'm a student at that university I'm a UJ student ngangi-UJ student ngingakayeki ukuba umfundi abamanje ngiphola enhloko ngisasumfundi anymore jokes though I am a UJ student guys uhayi uhambe emoyeni awukho mnandi awukho right hi uthini you're supposed to say hi ngifunani usuthi ufunani which are you doing if you don't mind me asking yo one thing about engineering students awubabuzi ukuthi wenza which year I'm supposed to be doing my final year this is my final year mangiphasile bengibhala exam izolo yangenzani kwangathi angaze ngifunde vele bengafundanga kahle ke vele ke benginqena nje hello gorgeous how are you doing Sandiswa umuhle dear qala uposta yiphi content I'll check your content what type of content do you post do I relate and then I'm gonna uyakhuluma isingisi no uyakhuluma Ngikhurume. Guys, what else love you today? Ngikhurume. Oh God, I'm not laughing. Yo, Kwanda Ntuli. Unjani? Kwanda. Kamgcina nini Kwanda, guys? Ya Tululu. Unjani mama? Unjani? Yangiflashisa ke ngoku. Sangudululu, guys. I look young. Kanti mangenze finally kusho ukuthi ngimdala, ngimncane kabi mina. Esihle mina. If you don't know me, you're gonna know me by force. You. I'm losing what plot? What are you talking about? Okay, I'll check you now. Let me screenshot Mac Gangster. If I relate to your content, I'm definitely gonna follow you back. Oh, uShukwanda, I mean, why? Mina ngisudululu mina. I look like a first year. Mina I used to look like a first year for cishe ngasho ukuthi sengisevasithi iminyaka emngakanani. Cishe ngasi-expose. Cishe ngayi-expose kusekudala ngila. But every year, I look like a first year. Every year. My first year, I'm 2000 I'm 2005 or 2006. Utulu. Oh, yeah, it makes sense now. It makes sense now. Let me see. Utulu. Ha, ukwanda Tululu. Unjani? When they siyenza manje sense. Siyenza manje sense. Ngina 4 years ngila, yo I wish. Yeah, yes, I'm from Natal. I'm from Natal. Shem. Go Natal. Enhlekisa le ndawo ukuthi KZN kuseNatal. Ngiyaphila nami. Guys, long time no see. Ngiyakhumbula kade yazi, ngiyakhumbula nje kade kahle. Ngiyakhumbula, don't wanna lie. I'm just saying 4 years ngila. I wish I had 4 years Shem. I don't even know why I'm live. Ngabe ngenza umsebenzi wesikole. One of my content ngisekhaya. Was I home? Bengisolundi, yeah. I did post the content ngisolundi emakhaya. Engineering is studying me, son. I'm even scared to tell people that I'm studying engineering because ngazathi engineering ifunda mina here. Mina nga investable. Are you sure? Are you sure? And thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ha bheka uqeda ungifollowisha manje. Lies. Latoya's lies. Uswa investa kumina ngithanda 6k followers kodwa uqeda ungifollowisha manje. Ngiyabona la kuthiwa just followed you. Wafana hlezi yisama abafana abanamanga guys ayigeke yo. That's nice. Tourism, it's nice. And then there are people who always pop up when I'm live, guys. I appreciate you, yes. Sizoshada with this one. Sizoshada nalo. Because every time when I'm live, like, I pop up. Athi nge-screenshots futhi uma ngiphuma la ngiyomstalker. He tried to sneak himself in. Who? Yo. And ubethu sneaker in vele uyamceba ulive ukuthi no. Ufuna ukufunda nami? Inkinga yami mina ngisafundi. I'm done writing my exams but ngiyatype. Awufuna isihlangane library sifunde? Uzofunda mina ngizoyenza umsebenzi wami wesikole. Kuna video engayenza ngingase-D-Lab. Oh, leka Enigma. Iyona phela video engikhumbulayo. Yo, and that time I had like 3K followers. I only had 3K followers. Leya video yasema D-Labs. Yeah, was it last year? I think it was last year. Le ukuthi ungatrimi. Use-library. With this guy, I think I know this guy. Okay, DM me library. I'm just gonna show up. Today it's my lazy day. Ngathi ngayenza yonke into ngila endlini ngingaphumi. But maybe sometime, maybe tomorrow or some other day, we can study together. Are you writing soon? But you just followed me now. Maybe you can see you did see my video and you saw potential, but you just followed me now. We'll definitely meet. Masabantu bayahlangana. East hours hlangana. Ubuphi kanti le filter. Icon, and that's my favorite filter in the world. And they just created a clone. Yaleya filter leya Ingbora. It's actually like the same, but not exactly the same. So when I'm creating, it's Pongesgaga. Awakasiboni ngokuzale ngelo. You have no idea singaga. And that's my favorite filter, Shem. I think give futhi. Oh! Yo, guys. Yeah, I'm not laughing. Guys, there are people who post their TikTok videos on Instagram. I want to do that so that I can grow my following on Instagram. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Talita. Thank you so much, guys. I'm not sure if it's a good idea or not, because like there on Instagram, I want to be just a serious person. I don't want people to take me otherwise. Because you see here on TikTok, I joke a lot and I talk about things I don't even relate to. I just joke. And I wouldn't actually expect people from TikTok to take me seriously or whatever. But like Lapabu Instagram, it's more like, no man, I want people to know the other side of me, like where I actually mean business. And yeah, my IG is I think it's the same as the TikTok one. It's Zeki_M. You see there, I'm just a normal person. Like, I'm just a normal person. People follow me, I follow them back. And I just post pictures, not much of my reels. I'm a reels mama post and post my reels and stuff. But I see most content creators, they post TikTok videos wabo. They on Instagram, and that thing helps them to grow their IG accounts. But me, I know, man. I don't know if I wanna be like that. Like, a boy side like Instagram, they say like TikTok. They're not the same. But yeah, it's a good idea, ne? It's a good idea. But yo, no. I don't know. And then mina shaming is slow. As people abanama following large whatsoever, they do this thing. They have this app called Humans, and that's where they apply for a promo. I mean, TikTok is just for fun. I'm not just follow by influencer and then. But advertisers, they're getting money. Much I feel like I'm wasting my potential at the same time. Because the person I'm lazy. Manje kumele ngize la ngizokuncenga ukuthi ngithenge le iPad leya, it's not even an iPad, a tablet leya ya 19 rand. Ngiyanqena guys, ngiyanqena, but it's actually a good thing because bathola imali, bathola ama goodies, they get free stuff, and me, I'm here wasting my potential. Gabe ngithola ama tablet amahala, gabe I'm making money, but I'm literally sitting and not doing nothing. Of which it's wrong. It's really wrong. But wrong kanjani ukuthi mina ngiyanqena lo manje lokhu ngizoncetheza la ngithi abuy i-tablet ya 19 rand. But guys, manganiconvince ukuthi ngithenge i-tablet ya 19 rand ngizoyithenga na. Siqale lapho. If I were to convince you guys to buy i-tablet ya 19 rand yaseTemu, ngizoyithenga na. Mina ngifuna nje ukumosha i-energy yami, ngimoshele ubala. Ngimoshele nje ubala. Ngin-advertisele ngithi i-Crocs izobe 23 rand, ingabi bika. Ngithathe ngibise Russia. I'm not even supposed to be laughing, guys. I'm not even supposed to be laughing. When I'm ngizomsebenza esikole guys, angazi ukuthi ngihlaleleni la because oqala ngivuke na late. 4 or 5. Yeah, 4 or 5. Let me go do some TikToks. Ngibhorekile. And kudala ngagcina ukuposta la TikTok. Let me go do some TikToks. I actually did some TikToks before ngibe live. I just wanna do more. Get distressed. Lies, 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 lies. And everywhere it's lies. Guys, angizwani nama lo. Join i-live yomunye umuntu engingamazi, ngcono umuntu engimaziyo. Engingamazi, stranger, and then manje kumele socialize. It's actually a good thing because I see most creators, they do that. Benza ama-live namanye ama-creator bexoxe. Hey, mina ngiyanqena magang. Ngiyanqena nje. Ngiyanqena. Like nginqena ngaphakathi. Let me go post my TikToks and go. Guys, toodles. See you, I don't know when. Bye. Love you guys.